Hello there, welcome to Creative Cat. I have shared many clay recipes till now, and this is one more amazing clay I have been using and really loving it. So here I'm sharing how I made it. But look at this, I literally sewed with it. Can you imagine? So here are some projects I made using this clay and got so many requests for the clay recipe. The ingredients are locally available, real cheap in my area. If you're from other country, please look out for them and give it a go. You won't regret it. Look how flexible it is to work with, and look at the details. It gives expensive ceramic look even though it's air dry clay. I took a drop test and it survived the fall, so it's pretty strong too. If you're using it in mold, it takes details so well with nominal shrinkage. Now let's get to the process. I'm taking half page of newspaper, especially for the fiber it has. Those fiber really help the clay to bond nicely so that it won't get any cracks. Then I'm using this glue, which is natural glue, also called as Arabic glue. I got it from Amazon. Mix 1/4 cup of it to the paper pulp and mix nicely. Now you will need whitening powder. It's a construction material which gets used to smoothen the walls. I found it so cheap, 30 rupees per kg. That will be approximately 36 cents per kg. I googled for it and got to know it's also called calcium carbonate, so look out for that. Now add this whitening powder to the glue till you get dough-like consistency. Add 2 teaspoons of oil. It helps to keep it soft and retain the moisture. And here it's ready. You can see those tiny fibers. If you try to pull it away, those are the newspaper fibers. It can be smoothened with the help of water. If you make a coil, it stays upright, doesn't lean down. And this you have already seen. I'm just amazed. Hope this will help you. Let me know if you have any doubts. See you next time. Bye bye.